Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Introduction to three-dimensional arrays. Three-dimensional, 3D, arrays are an extension of two-dimensional arrays. While a 2D array can be thought of as a grid, like a table with rows and columns, a 3D array can be thought of as a collection of grids stacked on top of each other. This structure is useful in various fields such as computer graphics, simulations, and scientific computing, where data has three dimensions. Structure of a 3D array. A 3D array is typically visualized as a cube, where the first dimension represents the depth. The second dimension represents the height. The third dimension represents the width. For example, a 3D array of size x by y by z can be represented as array x, y, z. Creating a 3D array. 3D arrays can be created in several programming languages. Below, you'll find examples in Python, numpy, a powerful library for numerical computing in Python, and C++. Example in Python. In Python, you can use nested lists to create a 3D array. Example in numpy. Numpy provides a more efficient way to handle arrays, including 3D arrays. Example in C++. In C++, a 3D array can be declared using three indices. Accessing elements in a 3D array. You can access elements in a 3D array using three indices, corresponding to the depth, height, and width. For example, in Python. Use cases for 3D arrays. 1. Image processing. A color image can be represented as a 3D array where the three dimensions correspond to height, width, and color channels, example RGB. 2. Physics simulations. 3D arrays can represent spatial data for simulations in physics or engineering. 3. Game development. 3D environments in games can be modeled using 3D arrays to store object properties. Conclusion. 3D arrays are a powerful tool for handling multidimensional data. They can be created using nested lists in Python, numpy arrays, or direct declarations in C++. Understanding how to create, manipulate, and access these arrays is essential for tasks in various computational fields.